crank up the bass and the volume when I listen to music in the car. There are days when I wish I hadn't done that for 30 years. It's probably, it certainly hasn't helped my age-specific hearing loss. But still enjoy it. Probably have to crank it up higher now. But, you know, my wife and I both tend to be sort of soft-spoken, so, you know, our dinner table conversations, what? What? Speak up, say that again. We both bug each other about how loud the TV is when the other one doesn't want to listen to the TV. There's ways to adjust to that eventually. I'm sure we're both going to get them headsets. That's true. But so far it's correctable. I have learned to be very careful walking around campus because I can't, as I mentioned before, the loss is kind of directional for whatever reason. I have more trouble hearing stuff behind me. Yeah. Young people riding bikes on campus should actually be taught that it's a really bad idea to come up on older people from behind closely, because I've taught myself over the last few years to look before I change direction when I'm walking across campus. I can't tell you how many times I've almost knocked somebody off their bike because I don't know they're there. They're gliding on a bike.
That's not an age.
Well, you probably know they're there. You can hear them. I have no idea.
Unless they have a crappy bike, it's kind of hard to tell.
Yeah.
They've got a decently maintained bike.
You guys will be in gerontology, which shouldn't be on the pressing here.
It's that they don't know how to ride their bike.
Yeah, it is kind of hard to predict people's walking patterns.
Well, yeah, people change direction. That's
yeah,
for sure. It does seem to be the rule on campus, though, that bikes always have the right of way over both cars and pedestrians, and that no traffic signals or stop signs apply. It doesn't matter whether you're on the sidewalk or in the street or whatever, they go everywhere. I don't think that's always been true here on campus. Any other questions here about what we've been talking about, or the paper? And next week we will pick up with reaction time. Probably already guessed is not going to be good news. And probably divided attention. And then we'll move on to see what the current thinking is about improving memory as the area. So see you then.